This is my little banded Lenny. It's been in the tank for several weeks, a couple of months. And this seems to be its hangout, sitting on top of the filter. Now I know where it likes to stay. Look how pretty it is. And tonight it's in dark mode. That's really funny that it came to visit.